So guys, something happened 2 weeks ago, and I can't wait to show you what has been given to us. So basically, someone emailed me and said if they would like to collaborate with our channel. And guess what? Of course I said yes. And it's such an exciting experience because this is the first time ever Daisy Learns will have a collaboration. Let's get the show on the road. There we go. Sorry if I'm speaking so fast. I'm just super excited. I'm just super excited. So look, I haven't opened it yet. Of course, I'm showing this side just for privacy of the address and stuff. But this is the opening and it's still glued on, see? Still glued on. I haven't opened it. I haven't cheekily had a look. Alright, I can't even look even if I tried. So here we go. We're going to open it same time as you are going to see it. So here we go. I'm just going to cut it from here. There we go, guys. So this lovely company, so as I said earlier, emailed me. And then they said I could choose 3 items worth $25 and below. The maximum is 25 US dollars. So of course I had to really be wise and choose, you know, the best of the best for me. And all right, so I can see from where I'm looking, they have kept their promise and they have given me 3 lovely items. Okay, let me just pull out the first one. Oh, this is thick. It's heavy. Oh, ooh. Let me just push this to one side. There we go. Oh my, isn't that nice? So this one is, let me find the link so you can see it better. Okay, because the printing is not, doesn't describe it the best, and I don't want you to think that that's what it really looks like. I want you to really see what this one looks like. So here we go. Let me just find it. So it's probably the second link. All right, I'm right. It's this one. So guys, I want you to have a closer look, and this is what it should look like. Okay, so here, have a quick look. It's 11 CT stamped cross stitch underwater. Okay, underwater world, and it's 46 by 36 centimeters. And the price value is £7.02, right? And they've got their discounts and all that. So that's one of them that I chose, right? It's very pretty. I love dolphins. I love sea. I love water. I love sea creatures. So this is why I chose it. So let's have a look and see what is in the bag. Look at the color, blue. I love the different shades of blue because I love blue. I love the sea. I love listening to the waves. It just relaxes me. And if I have this portrait finished, stuck on the wall, and I feel a bit lonely and missing the sea, I look at this, I'm gonna be very happy. There we go. So let's see what's in this lovely bag of theirs. Oh my goodness. So it's packed really nice. It's nicely done. They got their codes and everything all the way from China. They got a lovely company. Oh, look at the color. Oh, I love it. I love it already. I can't wait to start doing this. I'm going to do lives for you guys. I'm going to do lives for you guys. And I'll be doing one of, so I've got 3 free patterns here, free sets. So probably I'll do one of them at a time. So one live I'll do this, and then alternately I'll do the other, and then the other, and then maybe go back to my old ones as well, so I can keep tabs of the other patterns I've got as well. So yeah, let's have a look at let's have a feel, because I've never tried their company before. So it's a nice way of knowing and discovering and also comparing with your other company. So let's have a feel. Ooh. Oh wow. Oh, it just reminds me of my dollies. Wow, that is nice. It's nice and soft, nice color. It looks really good. The quality is really good. Here, have a closer look, guys. There you go. That's nice. And so there's going to be a lot of this. That's why there's a lot of it. There's going to be a lot of this color on the pattern. and it's very colorful. Let's see if I can, there we go. Oh, beautiful colors, beautiful. I love it already. Oh, I can't wait to start this. Okay, okay, so here we go. It's so long, it's so long, so it's nice when you do your stitches. You don't have to redo your threading and your needle thingy. Yeah, so it's nice, you don't have to worry about that. It's so nice, the colors are amazing. Oh, I love these colors. What a nice choice, what a nice choice. Oh my goodness, wow. So let me just keep that nice and steady over here onto that side. And they got some lovely freebies as well. Oh wow, I wasn't expecting this. They provided so many needles. Oh, I think they know. I think they know that I need more needles. Oh wow, look. And I think they know that I hurt my finger here. Because when you're sewing a lot, when you're doing your stitches, this is the finger that you use for pushing it, for pushing your needle. And this can really help you. This can really help you. Can really help with the pushing. And instead of your finger getting all sore, you got this protector here. The Nimble, I think it's called. And correct me if I'm wrong. They've got this. I don't really have a lot of these, so this is nice to have. Collect it, and then you can use it for your spare threads, you know. And then this one helps you as well. They're very useful, these things that they've given. And wow, let's just have a look how many needles they actually gave us. Because I believe if you buy the same pattern, so you'll get the same things that I'm getting. Because I think each pattern gets a different like goodie bag inside the accessories. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they're giving us 5, and I think they're all the same sizes. All the same, yeah, they're all the same. There you go. This is good. This is really good. Because like for example, you're doing stitches and you want to go through the pattern like with no gaps. So if you got 5 needles and you got 5 different colored threads, and then you can just stop one, use the other one, stop that one, use the other. So it's very handy to have more than one needle. Okay, so there you go. And what's this one? We also have what's this one? Yes, I do have one of these already, but you can't go wrong. This you don't, it's not a problem having more than one. It's really useful. So this one, and they also kind of you need the sharp ones, really sharp ones like this. So it's nice to have a couple spare. Sorry, it's not focused. There you go. So how do we use this? I use this when I make a mistake and I need to remove those stitches that I made previously. So this is quite handy if you don't want to use, because sometimes it's a bit hard with your fingers because your fingers are bigger than this. And sometimes when this wasn't invented, I would normally just use my needle. But then this came along and then things became easier. So there you go. Right, so let's just put everything in the bag. We don't want to lose any of these lovely goodies. Right, here we go. So again, this is our first collaboration. Daisy Learns, enjoying the first collaboration ever on history. So now moving on. Okay, so we got our lovely pattern here. Yeah, and I showed you already what it would look like. Okay. So it's easy to understand. You got your legend here, your codes, your numbers, the thread numbers. So it's so easy to work with. Yeah. Oh, and it's not actually paper. It's like a glossy type, so it won't wet. It won't get ruined if it gets wet. Okay. And you got some instructional guidelines as well here. Instructions for how to do it. So if you're a first timer, they will include this in each pack, and it will help you. so you don't have to Google it. You can just go straight here and read it. Yeah, and here's the different stitches. So it's quite good because even though you're a pro, sometimes when you bump into a certain stitch that you don't really come across all the time, it's handy to have these here as a guide, because some of them you rarely use, but it's good to have this. Then you have a nice guide, okay? And then the actual fabric. Right. So it's nice. The size is actually really good because I can get frames for this, and it's easy. It's not so hard to find frames this size, this big. So when I'm finished, I wash it and then I iron it, and then look, I can easily find a frame for this, and it's gonna be easy peasy on the wall straight away. So here I can already see the sea creatures here and here. There you go. So there's the dolphins. Yeah, there's the whales. So yeah, it's so cool to have it stamped. In the past, this wasn't even an option. The one with stamps, the one with the codes and like giving you the guide already. So we had to really count each box, yeah. So each stitch would be counted, and we had to really use this by heart. And it was black and white, guys, back in the day. It wasn't like this. So useful, and very time save. You save a lot of time because you don't have to count each stitch, use your pencil or your highlighter, and it really saves time. Really saves time. So there we go. So this is a DMC Aida cloth. The texture is just like the other ones I've got. So I think they've been washed in cornstarch. So it's nice and hard. It's easy to use. So I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.